ARIMI a MUCEERE mwena wa Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga makoretwo magiteta ni kwa kugurwo kwa MUCEERE uria ukoretwo thitoo-ini kuma mwaka muhituku undu uria ukoretwo ucerithirie marihi ma arimi. Na niguo kugitira arimi a MUCEERE guku bururi-ini, thirikari kugera ministry ya urimi ni gukorwo ikigura MUCEERE uyu wothe.
Our worry or our concern was, like as of now, we were supposed to have paid the farmer by May. We are heading to June. And then another worry is that what we have, we already in the field. And this goes to the government. We appreciate that we have the river dam. With the river dam, the aim of the river dam was to increase production. Yes, this one has been done. What we have in the field, close to 32,000 acres, they are already under crop.
MURUGAMIRIRI munene wa RUHONGE rwa BRUNO LINYIRU augite MUCEERE uria uri thitoo-ini ya Mwea ni metric tons 5,000 na ni wa muigana wa ciringi nuthu bilioni na mbeca cigukorwo ikiriho ihinda-ini ria mweri umwe.
We visited, we've also had a chat with the officials here and also appreciated it's true that there is rice, there is paddy that needs to be milled and requires to be bought so that farmers can be paid. We've had a very good conversation with the society in terms of what needs to be done going forward. But what is most important to also appreciate is that rice is the third most important staple cereal in this country after maize and wheat.
Hari mwaka muhituku bururi wa Kenya warutire MUCEERE metric tons 191 uria ukoragwo thirite ihinda-ini ria mieri iri, akiuga no metric tons 100 cia MUCEERE ciagurirwo kuma na nja wa bururi.
We import 80%, slightly over 80% of what is required for our feeding, because we produce about 125,000 metric tons, and which are the whole year, which can only feed us about a month. But also this is supplemented by importation. Having said that, what is also produced in Mwea is niche market oriented rice. It is rice that is very good quality, very aromatic, and has a different market.
Ni thina utumite arimi a MUCEERE makue ngoro makiuga matirona umithio wa thino yao thengia wa gwitungumania gukuria MUCEERE uyu.
KNTC is here as the biggest off-taker of this rice from Mwea rice growers, and mine is just to encourage farmers to join the circle. We increase our production and KNTC is assuring them of a market. KNTC picks up this rice and markets it to government institutions. So we are here to assure you that we'll get orders, we'll mill the rice and we'll off-take it and market it on behalf of the government.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.